Good morning. So we'll be making some cupcakes today. We have our flour. It's already pre-mixed, yellow cake flour. Have our milk, baking tray, 2 eggs, some canola oil. Start by putting some sugar. As you can see, I'm using a jug and a mwiko. Don't have a mixer today. Start with some sugar. Should be enough. Then we crack 2 eggs into that. Mix that together. A bit of oil. This is canola oil. About 1/4 cup. Should be enough. That goes into the milk. Also into the oil and the eggs. Mix that together. Then going to add a bit of milk to start off with. One more thing. We have some baking powder. We are going to add about half a teaspoon baking powder. In. Now we go to our flour. Use 2 cups of flour. See, Krusty's flour. It's already pre-mixed. Saves you a lot of time. In there. Now that everything is mixed in, the flour goes inside. Dissolves into a thick batter, just like that. It's all mixed in. You're ready to pour. If you don't have the cupcake papers, let me show you a little trick. Just take your oil, just a little bit of it. Oil each cupcake. Make sure it goes there thoroughly. Like that, all around, so that the cakes don't stick. Take some all-purpose flour. Let's do this. Need it to look like that. And you take a spoon. Clean up your working station. Take your cake batter. Just pour it in. Now we set up the oven. Put it at bake. 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's like 180. Then the timer, we need around 20 minutes. We need 5 minutes to preheat. Let it preheat, and then we'll put our cupcakes. The oven is now preheated. It's at 20 minutes. We put it at the middle rack. Put the cupcakes in the middle rack. Close it. We have 21 minutes. Let's see how they'll come out. I'm going to put them in the fridge to cool down a bit. There we go. Number one rule of working in a kitchen, you always leave it cleaner than how you found it. Clean. Yes, sir. There we go.